Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Blessing for those of you who are new to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get that perfect brows for your everyday makeup look. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be showing you the basic tools we'll be using for this tutorial. First off, you need your spoolie. This is to brush your brows, and you need a flat brush, and you also need a blending brush to clean the excess or blend your concealer. And you need concealers and brow pencil. You also need translucent powder. This helps to get rid of excess oil on your brows and make your makeup last longer, basically. So we're going to start off by brushing our brows. I'm just going to be brushing my brows upward, which is what you're supposed to do, and then go in with a very sharp pencil and you draw a thin line beneath your brows, following your actual brow shape. One of the makeup tips I give to beginners when doing their eyebrow is to follow their natural eyebrows as much as possible. As you know, eyebrows frame your face and also make your makeup look better. So you don't want to look over the place when doing your brows. You want your brows to come out natural, and that's just the best thing to do, to follow the actual natural shape of your brows, just to give you that youthful and young baby look if I'm making sense.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down.
Next, you want to take a concealer to take out or to clean the excess pencil on your brows. You want to do this so it can give you a precise shape and make it look neat. So I'm using the Eyebrow Pro Concealer in Cool Tan and Medium Beige. I also mix it with Zaron Liquid Concealer in Medium. And I'm using this flat brush to neatly clean out everything that is not meant to be there. Like just taking out the excess pencil and making it look neat, as I said before.
But I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing.
And so guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you find this video useful. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you did, please comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you in my next one.